What is the most valuable thing you learned at the conference?
Oh, that's the question. That's exciting. Every session you can get something from, which I absolutely love. We're looking for the wellness in students. We're looking for how to approach to be better teachers in our classroom. And I just can't believe I come every single year and I walk away as a better teacher every year. Because I've been coming for 15 years and I love it.
So this is my third year attending the CEMC conference. I think it's just so much fun. I absolutely love meeting other teachers and other educators from all across Canada. I met people from Saskatchewan and from Alberta and from BC and from absolutely everywhere. And I just learned so much and I always look forward to it.
I'm Mohammed Kura. I'm a new teacher. Being a new teacher, I started to come to this conference 2 years ago. It gave me confidence, it gave me motivation. It helped me getting to start the new years, getting to know different people, getting to know different subjects and topics.
So the thing I've loved about this conference the most has been being able to interact face-to-face with so many different computer science teachers specifically, because there's so few of us. Although it's also nice to have that kind of cross-pollination with the mathematics teachers as well. But one thing I can say though, even though I'm relatively new to computer science teaching, is that I've seen a lot of the old-time teachers who've been doing this for many, many years also gain a lot from many of the sessions that we've attended. And there's a freedom to kind of go between math and CS. I've liked all of that. And most of all, probably, or most importantly to most, is extremely great value for the conference.
Hi everyone, I'm Diana. This is my second time at the conference. And if you love teaching and if you love kids, this conference is amazing. When you get here, you just get reinvigorated and your passion for teaching and learning and for kids and being the best teacher you can and educator you can for the kids, it just fuels you even more. And when you go back in September, you're just so excited to tackle the year and to be able to apply everything that you learned.
Hi, I'm Peter. This is my first time at CEMC and it's been a really amazing experience. I've seen so many amazing mathematicians from all over Ontario and Canada. I got to go to all these amazing conference presentations where I got to hear experts at teaching kind of go through what they do, how they do what they do, get new ideas about how to tie in computation and coding with some of the mathematics that's being learned at different levels, problem solving, open-ended problems for students. It's been really amazing, and more than anything else, the community I think is what makes this conference special. Everyone here is so passionate about what they do and is so friendly and so welcoming, so you should definitely come if you have the chance.